most of the students feel difficulty in writing the choreography script. So, for your ease, in this video, I will discuss how to write choreography script. Manzoor Ali here, English Econ. What is choreography? Choreography means the process of dance by the performers, and that must be related to the theme of the poem. For the choreography, we have to write a script. Based on that script, performers can perform. It is known as choreography script. Choreography help or promote the learners for extensive understanding of the poem and also help in critical appreciation of the poem. Features of the choreography script. Number 1, title of the poem. Number 2, theme of the poem. Then sub-theme or stanza-wise theme. Then instances taken place. Then go to the characters, chorus and sequencing the actions. Finally, message by the choreography script composer. Let me give you a description for the features of choreography script. Number 1, title. First read the given poem carefully, then decide the title of the poem. There are 4 poems in class 10. One is Another Woman, second is Abandoned, third is Or Will the Dreamer Wake, fourth is A Plea for India. Number 2, theme. It is the message from the poet. Here, what the poet want to convey the message through this poem is theme. Number 3, stanza-wise theme or sub-theme. If the poem has stanzas, then write the stanza-wise theme. Number 4, instances taken place. Time and location of the scene will be written here. Number 5, character. Each and every character involved in the poem should be written. Number 6, chorus. Chorus is nothing but some extra group of people joined to help the main characters. 7, sequencing the action. Characters perform their actions sequentially. Last, message. It is not mandatory, only optional. It is final conclusion or opinion should be given by choreography script writer. Now we will see how to use these features to write the choreography script. Abandoned to the garbage bin with mosquitoes and insects eating its tiny fingers away. Little baby crying for help. Icefall smells comes into play, irradiating from disposed bacteria. Unheard shrieks of the baby's hysteria die in eerie silence of the night. An outcast of destiny, its labored breath racing in quick gasps, forced lonely like crop with cyanosed lips, sea blue nose and fingertips. Its tattered and torn dirty wrap make it shiver in freezing grasp. A filthy black cat edges onto the hold bin, searching for easy rats, and finds its food, tearing at the babe's hair with their sharp teeth, gnawing at its ears to complete their feed. As the cat jumps in with a screeching mew, the rats let loose a clicking squeak. A bloody chaos ensues, the only sin of the infant being born. Question. Now write choreography script of the above poem using the details such as title, theme, instances taken place, characters, sequence of actions. Answer. Title, Abandoned. Theme, the merciless parents dumped baby in the garbage bin. Rats run for food. and tear the baby's hair. The cat comes to eat the rat. The baby cries for help. Instances taken place. The baby in the bin cries for help. Everyone is busy in their work. The rats tear the baby's hair and gnash its ears. The cat searching for its food. The rats quickly run away. Characters involved. The baby's parents, the baby, the dog, the pig, the cat, the rat. Sequence of actions. Scene 1. Arranging a garbage bin on the stage. Merciless parents dump the baby in the bin. Soon after, the baby starts crying. People who are moving there don't pay interest on baby's cry. They ignored the sounds of baby. Scene 2. The dogs and pigs are moving around the bin in search of food. A cat also comes there for its food. A rat tears the baby's hair and gnashes the baby's ears. The cat tries to catch the rat. The rat runs away making squeak. Hope you have understood well. We will be making still more videos. If you are new here, consider subscribing.